when, where and how. In the previous chapter, we learned that our planet Earth is millions of years old. In this chapter, we will study the location and geographical features of India from prehistoric time till 700 AD. Various time frames. We have very little information on India prior to 2300 BC. Although Vedas, the ancient Hindu literature, are believed to be older than this. Ancient or historic period. Period ranging from 2300 BC to 1750 BC is called Indus Civilization period. This is the period when people started settling near the river Indus and started agriculture. Indian Civilization period. Period starting from 1750 BC to 700 AD is called Indian Civilization. During this period, migrated towards the Gangetic Valley and established various kingdoms in North and South India, including Sri Lanka. Geographical features of India under study. Our planet Earth is a spherical heavenly body, flattened at the poles consisting of land and oceans. Indian subcontinent is a huge landmass bordered by large Himalayan mountains in the north and 3 seas in east, west and south. Huge mountains protect our land from icy winds blowing across the north. India has 3 big rivers, Indus, Ganges and Brahmaputra in North India. India has a rich diversity of natural resources like minerals, forest, wildlife and marine creatures. Because of favorable temperature and monsoon winds, people settled down, which resulted in the rise of societies and kingdoms. Material sources. These are clues and evidences available to reconstruct and illustrate our history. They are 2 categories: A. Archaeological, B. Literary. Archaeological. These are remains of our past, such as pottery tools, weapons, coins, when excavated from earth, reveal about the past. The study of this is called archaeology, and one who specializes in it is called an archaeologist. Inscriptions. These are writings engraved on pillars, walls, metal plates, etc. The study of inscriptions is called epigraphy. They provide a whole lot of information about events, kings, their policies and the cultural background that existed then. Coins. In ancient period, different types of metal and leather coins were used. Metal coins were of copper, bronze, silver, gold, etc. Many ancient kingdoms inscribed the image of the ruling monarch, or of their cultural practices, or of the traits they practiced to lend a sense of identity. Monuments. These are ancient buildings, pillars, temples, etc., built thousands of years ago. The study of these give us an insight into the ancient culture, educational and spiritual strength of India. Literary source material. All handwritten inscriptions found in palm leaves or barks, etc. religious literature. These are the source materials written in various languages like Sanskrit, Pali, or Tamil. Vedas of Hindus, Pitakas of Buddhas, and Anjas of Jains are finest examples of religious literature. Secular literature. Secular literature are those which are not connected to any religion or faith. Thus, from these source materials, we come to know how our Indian history came into being. Summary 1. Archaeology means the study of the material remains of the past, many of which may be buried under the earth. It is digging up of the past. 2. Literary source materials are of two types, religious and secular. And that is all in this lesson, student. Have a fun and enjoy the learning.